Hi and welcome back to Monica Masters Cooking. Today I'm going to be making some homemade dal. Add my onions first. Again, no oil. I'm going to allow that to cook or to brown for a few minutes. And then I'm going to add my garlic and my tomatoes. So I'm going to check the onions getting nice and brown. Here we go. I'm now going to add my garlic. Break the garlic in. Very quick, simple, and the nice thing about dal is that you can just have it like a soup with bread. Give it a bit of a stir. I've got some green in there. I'm now going to add half a can of tomato. Let it all cook. A little bit more, and here I can add my salt, some turmeric, just about a teaspoon of turmeric, teaspoon of garam masala. These are my favorite ingredients, by the way. A bit of chili powder. Just less chili powder. I don't like chili. And a wee bit of cumin seeds. Just about a teaspoon of cumin seeds. I'm going to allow that to cook for a few minutes. Once the tomato is cooked, I'm going to add the soaked red lentils. Now I can see my tomato is nicely cooked. I'm going to add in my red split lentils that's been soaked of stock to this to allow it to boil. I don't like wasting anything, but half of that. Let that cook for a minute or two. I'm going to add some stock, vegetable stock, so it'll give it a nice boil. All the flavor of the spice and the stock will go into the lentils. Once that's done, I will then add in the coconut milk. So I've let that cook for a few minutes. It's smelling absolutely gorgeous already. So I'm going to add about a pint. And once this boils, because the lentils has to soften, I'm going to add a little bit of coconut cream, and then I'm going to blitz it. So I've allowed this to boil for a couple of minutes. This looks really good. I'm now going to add a little bit of coconut milk into it, just to give it an extra creamy flavor. You can add the full 1 can if you want, but I don't want it too creamy or too coconutty. Option to either blitz it or keep it as is, but I prefer it to be blitzed. Just for a few, just here and there. You can, if you don't have a blender, you can use a potato masher or a fork. This looks perfect as is, but my mom always taught me to do a little bit of extra braising at the end, especially when you're making dal, which is to fry some onions in some mustard seed with one red chili, and just to top it off. Salad master doesn't require oil. I'm doing it because mom tells me to do so. Just about a tablespoon. I'm going to add my red chili. It doesn't matter which way it goes in. There we go. Let that brown for a few minutes. And then I'm going to add that onion with some coriander. I'm going to add a wee bit of coriander there. great. Nice little smack of it. Off. Add that in. That just smells beautiful. Tasting time. This is so good. You can really taste the cream from the coconut milk. You can taste the spices. It's just delicious. Mama's recipes always work.